27 power outages today. I know, tell me about it. What do you think? Tessa? Here, have a seat. The power's gone on and off so many times that now my microwave is like super loud. It's weird. It wasn't like that before. Even my light switches are screwed up. They won't come back on. When the power goes out, they reset themselves now. Never did that before. Oh, look, the power just went out again while I'm playing with the thermostat. Yeehaw. I know. I'm just trying to get dressed, and power keeps flickering. 32 in the last, I don't know, 10 minutes. So this is fun. Not. Alright, day 4. They predicted it would be 40 something degrees by now. And as you can see, it's not. It's like 34 right now. Feels like 26, I think. I don't know. I'll post a screenshot, but the weather forecast was wrong yet again. So this is day, what did I say, 4 or 5? I lost count. Lots more damage overnight. Things went from bad to worse. You can see we've got complete carnage out here now. Almost every tree is pretty much toast. If it hasn't fallen, it will soon. It's nuts. This is way worse damage than 2 years ago, even though there's no snow on the ground. The ice that has accumulated and stayed for days is just wreaking havoc. It's sad. It's sad. I'm gonna be out here for weeks. As far as you can see, just trees are down everywhere. Yes, things are melting a little bit, but it's hard to show how much this weighs. The trees that are standing, it's a miracle. With this wind, the power is going in and out, in and out. Well, some devices can take that, but not many. Over time, with these surges and brownouts and stuff, it'll wreak havoc on your oven. For example, my microwave now makes a lot louder sound. It still functions, but it's not designed for that. So I've actually turned some of these items off, some of these appliances off at the breaker. No sense in sending surges and spikes and under voltage to them. That could damage them for sure. The wind's getting worse. Power will be out longer for sure. There were areas in my neighborhood that never lost power. We've only lost power for a couple minutes at a time, but there's some people that have been out for days. Just down the road from me. Ooh, power lines. And that just, so did you hear that? The tree just hit right there. I cannot zoom in, but right there, those lines are still dancing. I don't know if you can hear me over the wind. A tree branch just fell, hit the lines jumped up, touched each other, and then further in the distance you could hear the transformer blow. So these guys are without power over here. Here's the tree, both of them. These are down. Saddening to look at. I gotta watch where I'm standing. Another tree just uprooted. I would love for this oak to stay. Hang in there, buddy. Complete carnage, man. This one might fall any minute. It's toppled right over. Like it was nothing. It's a big hole, my friends. Alright, I've had enough. We'll see you guys.